Ikea products under $3. These finds will level up your space in ways you didn't expect. Here is Lazy Susan, and for just $9.99, it's a total game changer. I use it to organize my perfumes, but you can spin this beauty into any part of your home. Store your spices in the pantry, drinks in the fridge, or skincare on the vanity. It's clear, sleek, and spins like a dream, making everything accessible in one quick turn. No more digging through clutter. This tray brings function and style to your space. One product, endless possibilities. This is a self-adhesive rack with 3 hooks, and it's only $149. Yes, you heard right. This little wall hero sticks on strong and stays put. The material is solid, sturdy, and made to last. You can use it in the kitchen for your brooms and mops, in the bathroom for towels, or even your bedroom to hang necklaces, bracelets, or keys. It's minimal, clean, and incredibly efficient. No drilling, no hassle, just peel, stick, and organize. IKEA's best trash can. Simple, sleek, and just $1.99. This 3-gallon gem isn't just for trash. Use it as a plant pot, toy bin, laundry catcher, or even a stylish storage bucket. I also want to thank you guys for the support here on my channel. Let me know in the comments what other videos you would want me to create for you. I also want to point out that last year I went on a cruise through Italy, Greece, and Croatia, and I have great tips on everything regarding the cruise with Royal, from the food to the excursions to sightseeing. You can get a lot of insights on those videos. I'm gonna list a playlist down below. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you next time. Bye.